This is the Harbor Freight multifunction tool. This is a variable speed unit. I've mounted it on a couple blocks of wood and clamped them to the workbench to make it a lot more stable. And then the objective for what I'm doing right here is to cut a hole in the top of a Radio Shack project box to hold a liquid crystal display. And in order to get that to work, I simply outline the size of the hole, and I've cut some boards that I can fit into here that will hold the blade at the right height for cutting. I have to freehand the ends, which is no big deal, and then a little bit of touch up with a file and it comes out rather nicely.